Congratulations on making it to this point. You have seen the tremendous value in what we've provided you to take you to the next level in your trading. You see that you need the upper hand in trading knowledge and skill in order to profit from the market. You see that there are answers, you just needed to know where to look. And you've been a ninja already because you've found us. You are well on your way. You have seen that there are good teachers out there willing to show you how to trade without paying thousands of dollars. We are committed to shortening your learning curve by providing high-quality resources at a price you can afford. Have you ever heard the saying, "The teacher appears when the student is ready"? Well, this is your time. You are ready because you are here, and I will not disappoint you. Because of your desire to become more skilled at the Forex, I have carefully chosen a Forex master to show you in even greater detail how to profit. This is what I'm calling the Forex Trading System Master Course because this guy really knows his stuff and he can train you to be a master as well. Keep watching and you'll see what I mean. My name is Brian Netzel. I was a school teacher for 30 years and have always seen the value in getting properly trained by only the best to achieve peak performance in any endeavor. Only allowing the best in an industry to train me has come at a cost. I don't always curry the favor of those who have a lot of sizzle but don't deliver up the best content, or maybe they have no successful students to show for all their bravado. I'm convinced that the key to success in any endeavor is to get the best training available to shorten our learning curve, lessen our initial mistakes, and achieve peak performance more quickly. People have often called me the master educator because I have the unique ability to find and provide the best on a topic to my students. I have a passion for finding the best information, organizing it into a system, and then providing it to students in a simple, step-by-step, actionable process so they can achieve success quickly. I really hate to see people struggle with less quality information and training that destines them to either give up or to fail because it doesn't live up to overhyped promises. Get ready because I want to introduce you to someone who has passed my tests when it comes to providing excellent Forex training which provides enough detail to take you from where you are now to where you want to be in your skills. And you'll be amazed by this, at a price that is really affordable. Fasten your seatbelt. Attention, frustrated Forex traders. Here's a riddle that could change your entire financial future. What do a behind-the-scenes robot maker, a colorblind Brit, and an investment banker all have in common? The answer is they've all used this Forex mastermind's dead simple trading system to rake in more cash than they know what to do with. Yeah, that's right. There's almost $7.5 million sitting in these two bank accounts, all from trading Forex. Take a look. Well, have I got your attention? Well, good, because you're not only going to meet the other people featured on this page who've used these strategies to become wildly successful Forex traders, you're going to have the rare opportunity to become one of them. Yeah, that's right. You'll have a front row seat as this unassuming everyman lays bare his arsenal of profit-powered trading strategies, every single one of which can be expertly wielded by the most bumbling trader. Keep watching for the details. Today he lays his secrets bare for all aspiring Forex traders when he reveals how a mental traffic jam helped him develop a bulletproof trading system proven to crush all competitors. 3 irrefutable reasons no trading robot or signal service can ever replace a real flesh and blood trader. The mistake 99.3% of newbies make that's guaranteed to empty your bank account faster than a vindictive ex-wife, and a whole lot more. Raphael says he's dangerous. Adam says I got 325 pips over 2 days. Kudos from the Ivy Robot team. They said above and beyond what I was expecting. Why trading the Forex market is the only real solution to today's economic troubles. If you're serious about getting out of the rat race, unlocking financial freedom, and making real money, there's only one really great option, and that is trading the Forex. You might ask why? Well, you don't need a ton of cash to start trading. You can start with a kitty as small as $100. You don't have to wait months or years to get results. You don't need to be some kind of super genius once you have this proven system. Are you interested in finding out more about how you can get your slice of this $4.53 billion pie? Put down that boring textbook, cancel your flight to that overpriced seminar, and for the love of all that is good, step away from that profit-stealing trading bot. Because today I'm going to reveal these methods for the cash-sucking scams they are. Expose state secrets of the Forex industry only whispered behind closed doors, and you'll finally understand exactly what you need to make serious cash from the market. At least you will if you pay attention. So lock the door, pull the blinds, and take the phone off the hook, because right now is when you're going to discover how to siphon cash from the Forex market with the kind of expert precision that makes those million-dollar trading robots look like broken toys. Yes, it can be done, and I'm going to prove it to you beyond any doubt. But first, there's something we need to get straight. If you're brand new to Forex but have heard about the tremendous gains average investors can make that decimate stocks, bonds, and even the gold market, if you've dipped your toes into the treacherous rapids of the Forex river, only to receive the bone-soaking chill of a string of failed trades, or even if one of those overpriced expert advisors has flushed more of your cash down the toilet than you care to admit, then the power you're about to possess will change your life forever. On the other hand, maybe you like the way your life is right now, stuck in a dead-end job, working for someone you hate, living from paycheck to paycheck, struggling to keep your head above water in a churning sea of bills, or stuck with these internet marketing programs that just don't work. If that is you, then reading any further is a complete waste of your time, and you should probably just click away right now. Well, those of you still here, psst, I've got a secret for you. The simple fact of the matter is, 2/3 of newbies lose their shirts trading the Forex markets, and the other third lose their pants. It happens every day. Innocent newbies gape in horror as the outdated and dangerous teachings of the Forex gurus send their life savings swirling down the toilet. Maybe you know someone it happened to. Heck, maybe it happened to you. If it did, there's something you need to know right now. It's not your fault. That's right. It's got nothing to do with you being stupid, ignorant, or even just plain unlucky. Your lack of success is due to one reason and one reason only. You've been lied to. And in just a moment, I'm going to fill you in on the poisonous half-truths keeping you from earning your first dime. The often parroted and completely wrong Forex tactics standing in the way of you calling the shots in life, and the cancerous misinformation holding you back from achieving true financial freedom. But first, let me fill you in on how a dyslexic wild child exploited his inside-out view of the world and created the perfect Forex training course. Some of you may have heard of him before. He goes by LL. Maybe it's because the huge amounts of cash generated by his trading tactics have led students to dub him the world's best Forex coach. Maybe it's because he actually cares about their success that has led to them being more confident in their trading, to a point that each trade they make is far more precise than it ever was before. Maybe it's because he goes out of his way to take them by the hand and shows them how it's really done that's led to their success. Or perhaps it's because Forex magazines with over 30,000 subscribers have begged him to spill his super profitable strategies. Or maybe you're one of the rare insiders who knows some of the biggest Forex gurus around, and they've paid him a king's ransom to tweak, rebuild, and perfect their services. The latest being FAP Ishimoku, with no reports of any losses, just positive gains week after week after week. Of course, he wasn't always this successful. In fact, when he was growing up, he didn't just have it rough. He was, as he says, so poor the Salvation Army knew the family by name. I mean, a rare month for his family was when they had food in their bellies, electricity in the house, and gas in their old clunker of a car, all at the same time. Basically, it was a life he swore he'd avoid when he grew up, no matter what. Mix that kind of gumption with his fascination with patterns and sequences and an innate sixth sense when it comes to numbers, and you can probably see why he got into the Forex game in the first place. But as he soon discovered, the Forex industry has more corruption, political incest, and back alley deals than a third world dictatorship. Come on, you know exactly what I'm talking about. After all, you can't even check your email without some Forex guru bombarding you with the new get-rich-quick scheme. It could be an overpriced seminar, it might be a shady signal service, or perhaps it's a poorly built trading bot. Whatever it is, one thing's for certain. It's not going to do a darn thing to build your financial future. In fact, you'd be far better off striking out on your own than trusting solutions produced by these money-hungry hacks. Because the truth is, these currency charlatans wouldn't know a good trade if it spit them in their eye. That's right, for all their boasting, bragging, and posturing, your average Forex expert doesn't know the first thing about successful trading. And their courses? Well, they're written on the cheap by some washed-up freelancer who thinks using Google qualifies as in-the-trenches research. These no-talent Forex frauds are wetting their pants at the thought of you discovering their dirty little secret. True Forex trading experts are often harder to find than an honest politician. And their software? Well, it's often rebranded, recycled, and then regurgitated garbage not worthy of calculating grade school arithmetic, let alone the complexities of currency trading. The past results they so highly tout, often tampered with by some college student with a bootleg copy of Photoshop and crushing student debt. Do they have effective trading robots? Well, in fact, just a few weeks ago, I came across this on a popular Forex forum. Someone called a robot a scam, which is very true oftentimes. The fact is, that's just one of the many heartbreaking stories you find out there, and ask any real trader and they will tell you. There simply is no such thing as a set it and forget it Forex solution. Sure, there are a couple of useful bots out there, but they'll never replace the know-how a flesh and blood trader needs to capitalize on market movements with guerrilla efficiency. After all, big banks and security companies spend billions of dollars every year on Forex traders, analysts, and consultants. If these income-obsessed institutions could instead use one of these supposed perpetual profit machines for free, don't you think they'd be doing it? Plus, let's face it, putting your financial fate in the hands of a piece of software, no matter how advanced, is just plain crazy. All it takes is one processing error, or for the market to briefly move in a way the bot's not programmed to deal with, and your account evaporates in the blink of an eye. Trust me, the trainer I'm going to introduce you to learned that lesson the hard way. But no matter how difficult things got or how badly he wanted to throw in the towel, he never let go of his dream of becoming a successful trader. See, some kids play cops and robbers, others dream of racing cars, but for him it's always been numbers. Being dyslexic, words were never his strong suit. While the rest of his classmates were reading every last Hardy Boys book, he was having trouble reading a simple comic book. He tripped over words so often his teachers thought he was on drugs. But there was something else too. You know how sometimes when people are missing one of their senses, the others become heightened? They say some blind people develop almost superhuman levels of hearing. The deaf learn to use their vision to read lips with incredible accuracy. And paraplegics train themselves to use their arms and hands to take over for their legs and feet. Well, it's kind of like that. Because while his facility with words was limited, his abilities with numbers more than made up for it. Where others saw only a confusing wall of figures, he was able to decipher patterns and hidden meanings like some kind of mathematical seer. And when he turned his gifts toward the Forex market, it was as if he was able to flex a massive new muscle, as if a blind man was suddenly given sight. But here's where it gets really interesting. Eventually, he was able to transform his natural talent into a series of strategies anybody can use to grab giant gains from the Forex market, regardless of intelligence or previous experience. This is important, so let me repeat it. These are strategies anyone can use. And now, after many years of study and millions of dollars in trial and error, I'm proud to be introducing the Forex Trading System Master Course. This is the only Forex trading course you're ever going to need. There are 156 videos in total, and there are 7 modules. Have a look at some of the results that this trainer has produced on the Forex. $641,850 in under 6 months. Now, the Forex Trading System Master can't be beat anywhere at any price. It's the culmination of over 12 years of exhausting trial and error of a professional Forex trader. He holds nothing back, freely revealing the cogs and gears of his unique system in more than 140 simple-to-follow, high-quality videos, and exposes how they mesh together to create a precision-crafted profit machine. And because he explains everything in plain English, you don't need to be a math professor or an economics major to become a dead-eye Forex assassin. The sheer fact that you were able to find your way to this webpage means you already have the raw talent needed to mug the market for thousands of dollars anytime you want. Plus, because the course is expertly paced, you'll never be thrown into a trading situation you're not ready for. This alone saves you thousands of dollars in losses. As for the mechanics of it all, these are high-definition videos that not only a Mac and PC can use, but they also can be downloaded and played on your iPod, iPhone, iPad, Nook, or any other video-capable handheld device. We'll walk you more through what's contained in your membership later, but first let's take a look at how the Forex Bootcamp transforms you from the wet-behind-the-ears recruit to a member of the cash-nabbing SWAT team. This is designed for completely new traders. This is Module 1, and it takes nothing for granted. Inside, you'll be briefed on every aspect of using the MT4 MetaQuotes trading platform, giving you the knowledge you need to rate it for obscene profits. Just to name a few, learning how to navigate through the trading platform, discovering some of the tools that many people don't use, how to install indicators, modify indicators, and code. You'll get these completely free of charge. In videos 1 through 17, you'll discover how to transform your trading station from a stock standard sidearm to a money-making machine gun. You won't believe how easy this makes it to hold up the Forex bank for easy money. You'll discover the best times of the day to trade in order to maximize your profits. No matter what your schedule's like, you'll find a spot that works for you, even if you've only got an hour a day. Dead easy strategy proven to plug the money leaks in your trading boat and keep your cash where it belongs, in your pocket. If you can use a calculator, you can use this. You'll also learn why hanging out in most Forex forums is like putting your wallet through a paper shredder. But there are a few good ones. Video 13 reveals the telltale signs you can use to instantly know which is which. You'll learn the disastrous planning mistake 99.93% of Forex greenhorns make each and every trade, and how to avoid it. Follow this step and you can walk away with gains of up to 300% every month. Now you know the basics of the Forex market, so it's time to discover the secrets to using individual Forex indicators to give you the edge that you need to beat the brokers. In this module, Module 2, he reviews 21 PIP-producing Forex indicators. It's here where he shows you some very robust methods and approaches to kill it every time. In videos 18 through 39, you'll discover the one thing you must have before entering a trade. Ignore this warning and your account will waste away faster than a bulimic supermodel in the Sahara Desert. 3 cardinal sins of the Forex industry most traders unknowingly commit and how you can avoid them. Trust me, this gem could make or break your entire Forex career. How to use the X to snap up profits faster than a street gang at a busted ATM. I guarantee you won't believe how easy this is until you see it with your own eyes. Which indicators to avoid at all costs. These overcomplicated pieces of junk will lose you money, yet many are praised by life-destroying wannabe Forex flunkies. Remember MacGyver? How no matter what situation he got himself into, he could always fashion criminal-crushing tools with unremarkable everyday items. Well, in Module 3, you'll become the MacGyver of the Forex world. And since all of these combinations come with pre-produced template files, over 35 of them, there's absolutely zero technical know-how needed. I'll expose killer indicator combinations you can use to transform your trading station into a profit Oculus, allowing you to swipe money from the market with barely more than a thought. In videos 40 through 81, you'll discover pro secrets that make identifying and using support resistance trends easier than shooting fish in a barrel. Our trainer wished he had known this when he was starting out. The mindset you must have to be a successful Forex trader. Screw this one up and all the training and indicators in the world won't save your account from bleeding out. A pip pulling duo that'll get you hopping in and out of trades faster than an 8-year-old girl with a jump rope. Even the most clueless trader looks pro armed with this market menace. How to turbocharge this common indicator, turning Grandma's Hyundai Accent to Uncle Lenny's V12 Dodge Charger. Warning, you flat out cannot do this with the information you find online. How to develop a clairvoyant sixth sense when it comes to massive currency movements, allowing you to react with supernatural speed and avoid account-shattering losses. In videos 82 through 153, you'll discover the similarities between trading Forex and a simple kindergarten game. Once you make this connection, sucking cash out of the market is easier than making macaroni necklaces. Why finding an X during trading can be one of the most profitable experiences you'll ever have. When you can pull this one off, you're set for life. You've probably heard of Fibonacci methods. But what you don't know is that everything you've read is dead wrong. Watch videos 92 through 106 to get the real lowdown on these misunderstood moneymakers. The candlestick pattern that smashes a chink in the market's armor, allowing you a clean shot at the throbbing profit centers within. He calls it the hammer. It's not what you think it could be. Video 128 reveals the strategies he picked up from Spanish matadors, allowing him to exhaust the market, then land the killing blow. But instead of roses at your feet, there are piles of cash, and there's a whole lot more. Membership to lesser programs have sold recently for multiple thousands of dollars, which probably gets you to thinking, okay, what's it going to cost me to weasel my way into this pocket-bursting, freedom-inspiring system? Not nearly as much as you're expecting. Let's face it, this proven Forex blueprint is almost unimaginably powerful. After all, once you know how to predict market movements with uncanny accuracy, life changes. It really does. Instead of living in fear of smashing your account against hidden reefs, you navigate the treacherous currents of the Forex sea with steely-eyed confidence. Where others lie awake at night wondering how they'll pay the rent this month, or put gas in their beat-up Dodge Stratus, you're buying a bigger house, a faster car, and a new 3D flat screen, all with Forex funding. And rather than waiting through rush hour traffic to take abuse from some guy who denied your vacation request 3 times, you're living life on your own terms. There's no more struggle, no more stress, and entrapment in the rat race is a thing of the past. I've got friends who have paid more than $100,000 for their college education. Brilliant men and women who studied market economics and graduated at the top of their class, only to land a $25,000 a year job as a secretary's assistant. Imagine that, spending 6 figures on an education just to end up being a secretary's secretary. Maybe you can relate. Sure, if you kiss up to your boss enough and you do enough unpaid overtime, you might score a promotion. But you'll never have the money or the freedom you can dream of. You're practically chained to your desk, married to your job, and sometimes you just want to go to sleep and never wake up. Some life, huh? The fact is, if we give just about anyone a sneak peek of what is available in this course, they would do pretty much anything to gain entry to it. I mean, anything. You might be thinking, if you're such a successful trader, why not just give this course away? Well, that's a great question. First of all, we're not charging for this because we need the cash. See, we're very passionate about Forex, both trading and teaching. Call me crazy, but we like seeing students experience their aha moments. It's that hinge in their life where their trading turns from poverty-inducing to cash-producing that makes all the hard work worth it. However, I can't afford to waste my time with posers, and we don't want to spill secrets to those who aren't going to take it seriously. So when we created this membership, we knew we had to charge just the right amount to weed out the time wasters, while making it completely accessible to any truly serious trader. And while it wasn't easy, without blowing his trumpet, I think he's nailed it. I'm pushing the price to this lowest. And so I'm pushing the price to the lowest it's ever been. However, I can't afford to waste my time with posers, and we don't want to spill secrets to those who aren't going to take it seriously. So when we created this membership, we knew we had to charge just the right amount to weed out the time wasters while making it completely accessible to any truly serious trader. And while it wasn't easy, without blowing his horn, I think he's nailed it. I'm pushing the price to this the lowest it's ever been. Because today, you're not going to pay thousands each month for this system, although we both agree it's well worth it. You're not even going to pay $1,000 a month like those slimy Forex sharks would charge you for their worthless robot software. We were thinking of having you skip the monthly payments altogether and have the entire Forex Trading System Master Course for an unbelievable one-time payment of $397. But don't grab it yet, because I'm not stupid. I know $397 isn't exactly chump change. It can be tough to scrape together money for food, let alone a system that promises you riches. So I'm going to propose a gentleman's agreement of sorts and give you full access to this program at the hugely discounted rate of just $97, a one-time payment. But in return, I want you to do something for me. I want you to pull out all the stops to make a killing from the Forex market in record time. I want you to watch the videos and apply the teachings. You already have the intelligence. Now you just need the tools. I can't see any reason you won't be able to make this happen with your membership in the Forex Trading System Master. Does that sound good? Well, it gets even better. In fact, you haven't even heard of the best part yet, because every Forex Trading System Master membership is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee. I'll come right out and say it. We think the Forex Trading System Master is unquestionably the most powerful trading solution available for any price. And while we have plenty of student success stories to verify that statement, I admit I may be a tiny bit biased. After all, we've put our heart and soul and more money than I'll publicly admit into testing, tweaking, and fine-tuning this program. Even so, we're going to make you the kind of offer that'll have you recommending me a straitjacket and a padded cell. Take the Forex Trading System Master out for a spin at this heavily discounted price of just $97, a one-time payment. Grab a drink, kick back, and check out all the material. After watching just a few of the custom-recorded videos, you'll be making long-awaited Forex breakthroughs. Dollar signs will be multiplying before your eyes, and cash will be flooding into your bank account faster than a fire hose on steroids. If you're not happy, simply send me an email within 30 days and I'll refund every cent you paid. Cancel in the first month and you get every dime of your money back. Even if you're 29 days and 23 hours into the month, write me to cancel and your money is back in your pocket. You won't be badgered with questions, grilled for reasons why, or even asked if you've ever tried using what you learned. Your money is yours, no matter what. I can make a guarantee like this bold because I'm confident that you're going to absolutely love my system. I think we both agree that's more than fair. By now you're probably realizing just how much better your life will be with the Forex Trading System Master Course. And you probably also know you can't make massive profits from the Forex markets until you take control of your own financial destiny. You've seen firsthand the incredible results our teacher has generated with this system. You've observed newbie traders delivering lethal blows to the market, and you've been briefed on the lengths we've gone in order to make this a true no-brainer decision for you. Answer me honestly. Do you think you'll ever see a deal like this again in the future? An opportunity giving you no holds barred access to the trading process of a guy who's made multi-millions and has over a decade of experience, over 140 videos with complete instant access to the entire course, allowing you to reach your profit-producing potential faster than you ever dreamed possible, a bend-over-backwards guarantee ensuring you get to sample these bank-bulging treats with absolutely no risk to your bank account? If you're still mulling it over, let me answer for you with a resounding no, because you won't see an opportunity like this again. In fact, you won't even see one half this good, and that puts you in a very interesting position. In short, it's time to make a choice: mediocrity or massive success, corporate slavery or crazy profits, financial failure or Forex freedom. On the one hand, you can take the easy way out. You can tell yourself you can't afford this program, swear it'll never work for you, or convince yourself it's just not worth trying. You can go back to your lousy job, your pile of bills, and your shackled existence, and never give this page a second thought. Or you can choose the path of courage, conviction, and complete Forex domination. You can take responsibility for your own success. Vow to do whatever it takes to finally beat the bullion brokers and grab your Forex Trading System Master membership right now. Think of where that choice could take you. A life where sleep-ins are the norm, exotic vacations are a way of life, and you only vaguely remember a time when you actually had to worry about how much you were spending. Suddenly, you're the master of your own destiny. You march to the beat of your own band. You set your own hours, and you live your own life. And it is a great life, but you're the one who has to make it happen. Take the first step. Secure your membership right now. Just find the order button below, and for only $97, you'll get instant access to Building an Unshakable Forex Foundation, in which you'll get a plain English overview of trading the market and which explains the must-know rules other traders miss, a value of $1,000. Also, arming yourself with cash-sucking indicators, where you'll be privy to the most closely guarded secrets on which indicators to use to equip your trading station and exactly how to use them to bring in piles of freshly minted cash, a value of $1,000 plus. Also, MacGyver Forex combinations for massive gains, which exposes the brutally effective Forex armory you put together with your everyday trading tools and gives you easy templates to replicate your success in a fraction of the time. Trading Naked, containing the almost mystical seeming secrets any trader, no matter how inexperienced, can use to see market movements before they happen. It's like knowing the winning lottery numbers a week in advance, or catching the endgame score of the Super Bowl before betting closes, a value of more than $2,000. Questions and answers, answering the most common student questions, a value of $1,000 plus. Live training demonstrating what you have learned in real time, a value of more than $1,000. And lastly, the ironclad guarantee, allowing you to cancel your membership and get a full refund, no questions asked, if you cancel in 30 days. Value priceless. Here is what you'll get for only a one-time payment of $97. You get 156 videos, you get 35 plus indicators, and of course our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is really no risk. Order now, just press this button, and you're on your way. I'll see you on the other side.